Hello everyone and welcome back to Create with Jenny Marie. You guys have been very amazing in showing your love for the videos and commenting, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much for that. I have not been around lately because I broke my shoulder blade and I've been out of crafting commission. It was a long recovery with a long physical therapy, but I am actually feeling much better now and I am really excited to get back into crafting. So I really wanted to ask you guys, what kind of content do you want to see on this channel? Do you guys want to see more television and movie show crafts? Would you like me to incorporate some product reviews? Or would you guys also like to see some live Q&A session? So I'm not sure what you guys want to see, but it would really help me if you guys gave me some ideas about some content. And I'm just super excited to get back to crafting, and I hope you guys are subscribed. If not, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you guys know when the next video is coming up soon. So don't forget to leave your comments below about what video you want to see, and I hope to see you soon. Happy crafting!